Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Sephora haul. It's more like a Sephora haul slash Sephora favorites because I am loving these products. Like, I'm loving them. So I'm going to put you guys on to some products I've been loving. But before we get into the video, please make sure you give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and now that you're subscribed, let's move into the video. So I got this hair mask, which is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I have been dying to get this hair mask because I told you guys before in another video, I got a sample and I loved the sample. So this hair mask is my favorite. Like, this is the only hair mask that I've ever used that keeps my hair so soft. Like, guys, I haven't washed my hair in like 3 days and it's still so soft after using this. So it makes your hair super, super soft. Like, trust me. It has vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C, and it has omega-7. Omega-7 actually promotes collagen. So it's not just a hair mask that's going to make your hair soft. It actually has benefits to your hair. Like, it has vitamins in it. So it's so good, guys. It deep conditions. It softens. Like, I can't tell you guys enough about it. So please pick this up. So I got this heat protectant and I'm in love with it. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. Guys, this is so good. I have not been a fan of heat protectants in the past because usually I have always found them in cream or in serum form, and I hate it because then my hair is like damp, it's like sizzling in the straightener, so I just have stayed away from them. But this is so good because it's a dry spray. You just like spray it and you can go ahead and style it and it's good. Like, it's so good. It protects up to 450 degrees of heat and it gives you 48 hours of smoothness. Like, it doesn't only protect your hair from heat, but it makes your hair look so smooth. So it gives you both those benefits, which is great. Don't let your hair die in straighteners or on curling irons because that has happened to me so many times. As you guys can see, I just cut my hair recently. I've been talking about this. I've been talking about cutting my hair. So I finally cut it a bit. It's down to like right here, right under my chest. So I wanted to make sure that now I'm taking care of my hair. So this is really helping. So another hair product I picked up was this Bumble Bumble post-workout dry shampoo mist. I already posted this on my TikTok. So if you guys aren't already following me on TikTok, please follow me on TikTok. I post a lot of products on there. So this is one of my favorites that I discovered because it's so good for if you work out. When I work out, my hair is so damp and sweaty, and I find that regular dry shampoos don't work for cleaning it. This actually cleans it because it's wet. It's like a wet liquid formula. So it cleans and refreshes damp, sweaty strands. So it's so good. It really like refreshes my hair, keeps it super clean after a workout. I love it because it's a spray, and you'll notice that it does have a white powder in it. So you have to make sure you shake it. What it is white bamboo extract and salicylica. I think that's how you say it. Those two things actually absorbs oil. So that's what's like cleaning up the hair and absorbing all the oil. And it actually also protects from UV filters. So from like sun damage and like stuff like that from your hair, because your hair could get damaged like that too. So it gives you both of those benefits. So guys, I love this for when I work out. I got this Born This Way matte foundation. I actually just did a review on it, so definitely check that out if you guys haven't checked out my review on it. So I picked up this foundation. This is one of the newest foundations that came out. I also picked up the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. You got it in the shade 2.4. I also did a video on this, so if you guys haven't already seen that, definitely check that out as well. And then the last thing I picked up was this Nars blush in the shade Luster. Yeah, in the shade Luster. Guys, I love this. Let me put some on for you real quick. I'm wearing a little bit, but not too much, but I'm going to add a little bit more just to show you guys. Like, look at that. It's such a pretty shade. It's like a nice apricot color. It's not orange. It's super sheer, so it doesn't give you like a full harsh pigment. And I know like some of those blushes are great, but I like a nice sheer blush for myself. So I love how sheer it is. It also is it's also very natural looking, seamless. Like, it's just so sheer and so pretty. It's gold. It's like a nice apricot color. Like, I'm here for it, so I picked that out. So that's the end of my haul. This is more, like I said, this is more like a haul and a favorites. I'm loving all these products. I will have everything listed down below with links in case you guys are interested in trying that out. Please comment down below. Let me know if you guys tried this out, what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.